Hey traders, control the trade here. I think I'm live. We're taking a look at Mara, M-A-R-A, and trading that this morning. And it really tried to flush traders out right here. And we found support at the 20-period moving average on the 10-minute chart. Had a nice open, of course a nice pre-market. I tried selling at 28.99, missed by 7 cents, and then got flushed down. That wasn't fun at all. Held on. And I'm really liking what I'm seeing here right now. We obviously had a little spike here, and I'd love to be able to get back over this candle on a 10-minute close or an hourly close. This is my first live stream, so I'm not sure if it's working properly right now, so hopefully you guys are hearing me okay. I'm going to go check some settings real quick just to see if the stream started. It looks like we started. Alright, let's go back to the chart. Again, we're on a 10-minute chart, M-A-R-A. And I'm going to go ahead and put a sell. I think I have a couple sell orders in right here. You can see they're overlapping and they're pretty tight. This could, if it continues to break away, my ultimate target here, let's look at a daily chart. Is up here at, can't even see it, but I think it's 31 and change, 31.20 I believe. Yep, 31.20 is the price target here. We're above 28 right now. I'm looking how it's moving. Probably get some resistance right here. We're just beasting through. I mean, I've seen this stock just get into beast mode. It's a hot stock. It correlates with Bitcoin. If you've read my tweets, I think Bitcoin is kind of silly, but I'm going to ride the trend and I'm going to try to jump in there and try to make money. Doesn't matter what the ticker is. All that matters is that you're finding something that has volume, you're finding something that has interest, and you have some good liquidity here and some great price movement. That's what you want as a day trader. So it looks like I'm getting close to being filled on one of my levels here. 28.33, there it goes. And then 28.69 will be next. I'm being a little gun shy because of what happened in the pre-market when I tried selling at 28.99. Missing by 7 cents is obviously heartbreaking. So sometimes you just have to watch the charts a little closer. I was a little busy this morning. I probably should have paid more attention to it, but I really like what's happening now. I'm actually going to put a, oh, there we go. Got filled again. So if it gets above 29, it should be on a runaway to the previous high. Let's see what that is. I thought it was okay, you know what, maybe it was a pre-market or after hours high that we had here. I gotta find a chart that's gonna show the aftermarket and pre-market. $29.12. So let's see what happens if it gets up to 28.90, 29.12. It's hard to stream and also watch all this at the same time, to be honest with you. I've never done this before. Let's see. What did we get up to? 28.82. I mean, that is a really nice move off the 20 period right here. Look how it flushed people out down here. Looked like it was about to crater. And I knew as long as we stayed above the low of this candle, I was safe. The low of this candle was 26.07. And we closed at 26.16. It didn't feel good to do that, but it didn't feel bad either. It didn't feel like the trade was going to go against me at that point. So then we got this nice rush here, and now we have a really nice candle in this going on right now. Really nice momentum, trying to challenge the pre-market high of 28.92. I want to put a sell order in. I'm going to put a sell order in. Probably on my phone here, about 29. Maybe 29, see what happens, take some profit. Nothing wrong with taking profit along the way. If I had done that in the morning, I would have not got burned by 7 cents. So let's see. I still think 31.20 is on the table, but that's going to take a while. So let's just even try the previous, about 29.12 was the previous number. So maybe 29.07. And just keep cutting my position on it in case we Oh, that was fast. Whoa. Guess it's on a breakaway now. 29.15. We beat it. So now it should just race right to 30. I'm going to just watch this for a minute. When you get momentum like this, kind of want to ride that. It's pretty close to the high so far, but it still has momentum going. Still have shares left. Still have probably about half. I have half my position left. Usually when you see a big move up like this, the next 10-minute candle tends to be a pullback, profit taking. Maybe it'll do a 50% retracement. Maybe come down to about 28 and change. So it is tempting to sell the rest of the position here, but knowing that we just made a new high that we haven't made in a long time, and that 31.20 is my ultimate target, I'm kind of okay just holding on to this right now and just watching it play out, especially since I've already pocketed half my position. I sold 300 shares, so I have profit for the day, so it feels a little better to watch it and let it run. And right now, being above 29.10, super bullish. So 29.50 would probably be next. I would want to go to a longer term chart to really be able to tell. So 29.34. Okay, I'm going to watch this for a little bit. I'll be back. I'm going to stop the stream now. Thanks for watching. Remember, don't let the trade control